The outlook for cryptocurrencies in 2024 appears to be marked by significant developments across various aspects of the crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin's price is expected to rise significantly due to the upcoming halving event in April 2024, potentially surpassing $48,000. Ethereum is also set for a strong year with the implementation of EIP 4844, proto-danksharding, which will enhance scalability and reduce transaction fees. However, Bitcoin is expected to maintain its market cap dominance over Ethereum, despite Ethereum's strong performance. CoinMarketCap, CoinDesk. Layer 2 networks and DeFi. Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions, such as Polygon and Arbitrum, are projected to dominate in terms of total value locked (TVL) and transaction volume, potentially exceeding Ethereum itself in DEX volume, ETF and mutual fund manager WTE-CRYPTO-OFFICIAL. The DeFi sector is anticipated to integrate more Know Your Customer (KYC) protocols, which could attract institutional liquidity and increase protocol fees. CoinMarketCap, NFT, and blockchain gaming. The NFT market is predicted to experience a resurgence, with increased activity on Ethereum and the emergence of Bitcoin-based NFTs. Blockchain gaming is also expected to break new ground, with at least one game surpassing 1 million daily active users, indicating the sector's maturation. CoinMarketCap, ETF and mutual fund manager WTE-CRYPTO-OFFICIAL.